Okay, very, very excited. I just got a few really, really cool cases in the mail, and I want to share them with you. We got a case review for the S23 Ultra. Now, this was, I was trying to find the name. There's not really a name. It's a basic, how it was described is a honeycomb device. And let me pull up the different, I'm going to take this off camera, pull up the different colors they have. I got the clear just because I thought the white S23 Ultra would look awesome in this clear case. This is basically described as a honeycomb ultra protective case. They got a bunch of different colors, super cool. I ordered it as soon as I saw it. And it has a really neat construction. It has these bumpers on all four corners, as you can tell. It's got a cool honeycomb type of design on the back. It's got silicone all around. This is a hard PC plastic, and it's got soft silicone around the cameras to give you some camera protection. And on the end, it's got nice, decent sized cutouts. I've seen the S Pen cutouts huge. It's got speaker grill cutout, mic cutouts, mic cutout up top. And I did not see any air pockets in any of these corners, but that's okay. It's got tons of protection here on these corners. It just looks absolutely awesome. Let's see here. I got the item pulled up here. Okay. The official name for this is let me move this off camera. Check this out. It's the Keysion Shockproof case, transparent honeycomb phone cover. Now check this out. Look at all these colors they have. They have for the S20. Now they got this for a bunch of different devices. S23 series, S22 series, S21 series, S20, and for the Note 20, Note 20 Ultra. So mine was for the S23 Ultra. Look at all these colors they got. They got blue. They got, and it'll look, depending on what color S23 you have, it'll look a little different in the pictures here. But they do have a blue color, gray color, dark gray. They have yellow, which looks awesome. They have, what's that, orange. And then they have the clear one, which is what I got. But after seeing this today, I think I'm going to order a couple more of these just because it looks cool and definitely provides a ton of protection for you for your device. So let's just do one quick walk around again, and then I'll just throw it on and we'll see what it looks like. So again, this is a hard PC plastic, and then it's got on the inside, it's kind of got a softer silicone wrapped around with hard plastic. So hard plastic on the back, silicone where the cameras are, silicone on the inside around the border to give it good drop protection, and then hard plastic on the outside. So this should provide really, really good drop protection. It's a tiny bit squishy, nothing like super squishy, just enough to maintain the sturdiness, but give it some drop protection. This is a very heavy phone. So when it hits the ground, it's going to hit the ground with a lot of force. Any labeling on here? I guess there's some right there, but that looks like oh, okay. Samsung S23 Ultra 5G. So they label the case with the phone. I'm sure some people don't want that there, but it's very, very small fine print. I didn't even notice it till now. Now, it is a little tight fit going on, but that's okay. Normally, as y'all know, I put my devices inside first and then snap the other side in. This one, I literally just got it in the mail, but I put it in just to see what it looks like. This one, you'll stick the bottom in first, push it down, snap it into place. Look at that. My goodness. That's a good looking phone, a good looking case. You got the chrome outline of these 3 cameras. And again, yours will look different. If you have the dark green, it'll look different. If you have the black, it'll look a little different. But this white one looks freaking awesome. And then it does give good... let's see. Let's check out the... You do have a decent sized cutout there. Let me try the S Pen, because when I tried it on a few minutes ago, I did not try the S Pen. Okay, so that's going to be the one downside. Is that you see this protruding out on some of these other cases, like this one. You see how it's kind of engraved into where the S Pen goes, where your finger is. This one looks like still get it out. It just may not be. Oh, there we go. Okay. Excuse me. This pollen's horrible here. So what you'll have to do is when getting this S Pen out, normally how you just push it in like that, you got to go from underneath to pull it out. So instead of pulling it out like this with your finger, you can pop it out just like that. And then there's a little section that's cut out that you can grab it from underneath with your finger just like this and pull it out just like that. Because over the top, check it out. See how that's not cut out? See, if they had cut that out, it'd be a lot easier. But obviously, I think they wanted to keep that for protection because it's part of the corner. But it's not that bad. Once you figure out how to get it out, it shouldn't be that bad. Does not lift up on the screen protector. As you can tell up here, it's got the cutout for the top speaker. And then right there is you can see where the top of the screen protector is. And yeah, so it's not going to lift up most screen protectors. It just rolls right along the side. Cool. So that's not going to be an issue. You should have no issues with any screen protector with this case. The mic up top is good. And the mic down below is good with the speaker grill cut out. And should be able to fit most chargers in there. But man, that looks nice. Now, it's not felt. On the back here where the honeycomb is actually smooth. And I think on the inside... pushing buttons. And I think on the... I'll take it out again. But on the inside of this, up and underneath it, I think is where it's felt. But it's smooth on the back. It has grips on the side. I'm glad they put those there. Because if they didn't, remember, on the side it has silicone, but on the inside of the case, so on the outside where your hand touches, it's going to be this type of material. So I'm glad they put grips right there. So it's not really slippery. And it should provide plenty of drop protection. Let's see what the lip looks like here. So it's got a little bit. Nothing crazy. I've seen better, but could be worse. So the only downsides to this, in my opinion, is the S Pen cutout. Could have been a little better, but it's not bad. It's doable. However, in my opinion, I would probably have shaved that little piece off right there just to make it a little easier to grab. And let's see, is there anything else? Maybe a little bit more lip protection on the front and back. Although, if you lay it face down, your screen's not going to touch. That's for sure. Because it actually looks like the corners are raised a little more. It looks like the corners on the top and on the bottom are raised a little more than the center part. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Okay, yeah. So you're not going to have any issues there. Yeah, so I guess my only improvement I would make on this would probably be just a better cutout here, but that's, like I said, it's doable. Now let me take that out to see if it's... Yeah, so the inside is honeycomb, and then the outside is smooth. Let me put this in one more time, and we will see what the buttons are like. Ready? Okay. A little clicky, a little less clicky than the average case, but not bad. It's not a hard push. They go down, you can push them in pretty easily. Are they cutouts? Nope. They're not cutouts. Right here's your power, volume down, volume up. Interesting. It has a little... Gotta take this out of the way. You can see where it's got the little buttons on the inside. So it's good construction. It's not too flexible. A little flexible, but nothing crazy. So very awesome case. I'm going to leave a link in the description. How much was this? Let's see. It was $3.11 for this. $3.11. You can't beat this. That's why I order on AliExpress. You're not going to find these on Amazon, so you're basically going to have a custom case. And they're dirt cheap. Now, this one took, this Nilkin case took about 5 days to get here. Super fast. This case took about a week and a half, I would say, maybe 7, or excuse me, not 7, probably 8 or 9 days. So shipping is getting a lot better now that the pandemic is kind of moving on. During the pandemic, it would easily be at least a 2-week wait, probably 2 to 3 weeks. Now it's about 10 business days, I think. So the shipping is getting a lot faster. The prices are cheap, and you're not going to see anybody else have this same case. I promise you that. I guarantee you're not going to see. And they got hundreds of cases that you will never find on eBay, Amazon, or any other place where you get your case, or in the carriers. Yes, these are not name brand, but you're only paying $3.11 for this. I mean, you cannot. This would be, how much would this be on Amazon? Probably 23 bucks, something like that. $20 to $23. So you're literally saving 20 bucks, and you just gotta wait, a few more days. It's not that big of a deal, but I'll put a link in the description, and you can check it out for yourself and all the other cool stuff. Now I got another awesome case to review here, so check this out. Yes, I'm gonna review this thing. So you can find that in my other videos. All right.